How to create a Cyberpunk glitch effect button in Wix Studio. So in order to create that particular button, first things first, click onto this plus icon or add elements section that we can see right here. Now, once you have clicked on that, you can see in here all these elements. Make sure to click onto the button that we should be able to see right here. So click on button right there. And then once you have clicked on button, it will show you some examples. So you can already see in here some buttons and all their actual layouts. And as you can see, we have in here some examples already. So for example, if you want to create a Cyberpunk glitch effect button, just head over and choose in here a button that you want to add it into. For example, let's choose in here this sun. You can drag it and then put it right around here. So just put it wherever you want to put it. And then once you have put that particular effect, next thing you need to do is just head over and then click onto the settings of that particular button. Click onto the settings. And then we can see here the button settings. So we can just head over and then just change up what it have. You can display some things like text or icons, and you can also change up the text. Alternatively, you can also click onto this design option, and then it will open here this. So you can click onto this customize design that you can see right here on the bottom. It will show up this wheels option, and then for this one, in order to create a cyberpunk glitch, you can head over and then utilize the shadows. So make sure to add in here a shadow that we would want. And then once you have added the shadow, just input right here the angle that the shadow will be, as well as the color of that shadow. For example, for this case, glitch is usually cyan and pink. So let's choose in here pink for one. And then you should be able to see it reflected already right here. So let's also change the color of the actual button. Let's change it into something like black. And now we can already see it in place. Let's also change up the things as well as the colors that we have right here. So we have changed that into this. Let's add another shadow and then click onto this add option. And then for this one, click onto this customization option. And then let's choose in here a color of cyan. If you can see some cyans right here, just choose a random one and then click onto this plus icon. And then let's actually move it in order to make it cyan. After that, click on add and you should be able to see it reflected right here. So for this one, you can change up the angle where it actually will show up. And as you can see, we have now in here a button that's the Cyberpunk glitch effect already. So that's how you create a Cyberpunk glitch effect button in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.